Hello, co-creators, and welcome to your angel number message. I am Naima Reina, your friendly neighborhood oracle, and as always, let's get started. So we're going to the dice today for you, co-creator, and your angel number is Ashe 18 8. So 188 Ashe. And we're going to give you that 88 because you are a master co-creator. And it's funny because I have on this safari like shirt, right? And I've been hearing Lionsgate, Lionsgate, Lionsgate of that continuing energy for this collective. Ashe. And we get that 8-8 portal energy. Come on now. It's the synchronicities for me. Let's get into those messages. So your numbers are 8-8, Ashe, and 1-8-8. Let's get into your message. And I heard what they stepping into, Naima. Ashe with that 8-8 portal energy. Come on now. There's a portal opening up for you to step into a more spiritually centered life. If you're new to this, or if you're true to this, that 8-8 number sticks with this collective. There is always an opportunity to step into a more spiritually led life for this collective. Ashe. 188. You are one with your consciousness. Come on now, co-creator. And the universe, source, mother, God, creator at this time. You are one with your gifts, dreams, and goals. Believe it. You are one of one. How beautiful is that? Namaste and Ashe, Master, Co-Creator.